this one.
It's a priority. Keeps going.
Hoping you like a haunting song. Hey, playing deep within my heart still down. But I will rise above and break these chains. Hey, turn my pain into a melody where healing begins. In the depths of darkness, where shadows reside, there's a story untold where pain just concise. Echoes through the silence, whispers to the light. A symphony of anguish, a melody of strain is a messenger. Teacher in disguise, through the tears that fall we find the strength to rise. Even in the darkest so our hope never dies. So please be wise and open up your eyes. Can't you see? Hey, pain is playing hard on me. Hoping you like a haunting song. Hey, playing deep within my heart still down. But I will rise above and break these chains. Hey, turn my pain into a melody where healing begins. Each scar tell a story, each up on with skin, a testament of battle fought deep within. Experiencing these traumas are no easy thing. Ascending to higher levels, praise the king. In this tangled web of sorrow, me a breathe the thing. Through every tears that fall, that reveal we grin. We find the beauty in the pain and never know easy spin. Pain no one me have no fun yet still me mood no swing. Can't you see? Hey, pain is playing hard on me. Hoping you like a haunting song. Hey, playing deep within my heart still down. But I will rise above and break these chains. Hey, turn my pain into a melody where healing begins.